Good morning, everybody. So today's presentation will be about the Macqlit intervention program that is aimed at helping dyslexic students in my classroom. So to begin with, dyslexia is a neurological issue in which the individual faces difficulty with reading and as a result becomes extensive of other problems in literacy such as spelling and writing. Students with dyslexia unintentionally invert the orders of letters in a word or forget them completely, consequently meaning that dyslexic students also have troubles with memory processing, difficulties with letter and symbol association, and they also struggle with low self-esteem and a lack of self-confidence. As a teacher with 2 formerly diagnosed dyslexic students and 1 awaiting diagnosis, this proposal has been written to explore the performance benefits that the reading program Macqlit could have on these particular students. This intervention program will be implemented in my classroom that consists of 30 students, in which 17 are girls and 13 boys. The school is located in Mount Lawley, Western Australia, which is quite an affluent suburb, and each child has an individual iPad, and we had the resources needed. We also have a teacher aide who is in our classroom and she helps out on Wednesdays and Fridays. We have 2 students with a formal diagnosis of dyslexia and 1 female student who is awaiting diagnosis but does show very strong symptoms of having dyslexia. So, what is Macqlit? Macqlit is a specific reading intervention program specific to smaller groups of low progress readers, which is quite common in students with dyslexia. This program is suitable for students in Year 3 and onwards. The program enables teachers to be able to provide their students with chronological and succinct lessons that are necessary in them gaining effective reading instruction, including phonemic awareness, fluency, and comprehension. When the program is used in the classroom, confidence and self-efficacy amongst these students will also begin to develop. Macqlit will also provide these lower progress readers with a substantially larger opportunity to meet their national reading standards, which is our main goal. So, what are the results of Macqlit? The efficacy of Macqlit has been heavily researched and the results of the program have been revealed to be promising. This is made evident through Buckingham, Beeman, Weldle and Weldle's 24 study in which they conducted a 2-phase control trial involving 26 different students. The first phase consisted of Group E1 receiving the literacy intervention program daily over a period of time, whilst the controlled group E2 received their normal regular classroom instruction. It was found that on completion of this phase 1, there was a statistically different comparison between the 2 groups. These results were revealed through the Martin and Pratt non-word reading test that focuses on phonological recoding. During the second phase, when the crossover between the groups occurred, and E2 received the literacy intervention instead, the same trend results were made evident, and these trend results can be seen on the PowerPoint slide right there. Other results of Macqlit include 88.1% of children experienced improvements with their reading fluency, which is a staggering statistic for students with dyslexia. 84% could also apply meaning to reading on completion of this program. So, how would this program be implemented? The program must be run throughout the whole year to work successfully and will be implemented by the teacher aide who comes in 3 times a week. It is a one-off payment of $1,204 and only requires 2 days training. It provides the teacher with 122 succinct lesson plans, resources and all the tools needed to teach our students. This program and its effectiveness must also be measured against running records, phonics screening checks, NEAL analysis of reading ability and the letter precision test. Finally, through the implementation of Macqlit, the 2 dyslexic students and the one awaiting diagnosis are provided with the opportunity and support that is needed for them to progress as an individual. These improvements made in English and literacy through the Macqlit program will enable the individual to gain the critical and creative thinking skills and communication skills that are necessary to function in everyday society. Furthermore, these newly acquired skills may encourage higher levels of self-efficacy and self-confidence and higher rates of well-being amongst our students, therefore creating positive learning experiences for the learner, ultimately inspiring them to want to continue to learn more. Thank you for listening and have a great day.